Removing the front bumper on the Mazda 6, start by jacking up the car. There's a pretty good jacking point right in the centre, and put the car on axle stands. I like to leave the jack in place, just lower it slightly until it's sat on the axle stands. Remove the front wheels. You may or may not need to completely remove them, but I'm going to for the purpose of this video. Remove 4 10mm bolts from the front and 4 more from the rear of this panel. Either remove this panel fully or just drop the front down by undoing this trim clip here and dropping. There are 2 more trim clips at the back, but if you don't want to remove this panel, then you don't actually need to remove the 4 10mm screws from the back. You can just let it drop loose like that. Remove the grille, undo a crosshead screw from both sides. Remove a trim clip from both sides using Bojo tip 5. Remove these clips here. Now the grille's removed, remove another trim clip from both sides. From the front of the wheel arches, remove an 8mm screw or crosshead in the centre, and there'll be 3 trim clips. You can gently undo these by twisting the centres, and then you should be able to pull them out. Remove 4 8mm screws from under both sides in the front corner of the bumper. Once the wheel arch liner is removed from the bumper, you'll be able to pull this corner out. And on the passenger side of the UK vehicle, you'll need to remove the connector for the fog lights. On the driver's side, you'll need to remove the hose for the headlight washers, which is down here. You'll want something to block the pipe with after removing. With the wiring and washer fluid hose disconnected, the only part holding the top of the bumper on will be a little clip here, which you can pop up from this angle here. And same on the other side. Now to remove the headlight, remove this trim clip here. Remove 2 10mm bolts from this side here. This 10mm and this 10mm here. Now with the bolts removed, you can pull the light assembly forward, and you'll see there are 2 wiring connectors here. And that's the light assembly removed. Now with the light assembly removed, you can remove the cover and the wiring. Then there's a clip holding the bulb down, and the bulb comes straight out like that. The bulb is a 35 watt D2S bulb. Thanks for watching, and I hope that the video has helped you and possibly saved you some money. If you could take the time to like and subscribe to the video, that would be much appreciated, but otherwise I hope it's helped, and thanks for watching.